According to Musa's posts and viral tweets, Bongs, whose real name is Bongani Mohosana, is allegedly involved in an affair with a student from the University of KwaZulu-Natal. Bongs and Zinhle have been married for years and share a daughter named Ashanti. Their relationship has often been praised for its maturity and blended family dynamic. Mzansi is divided, with some fans defending Bongs and calling the claims baseless and disrespectful, while others are demanding clarity, especially since Musa has a history of dropping controversial celebrity news. As of now, neither Bongs nor Zinhle has responded publicly. Zinhle continues to post business content and family moments, while Bongs remains silent. Musa Khawula is known for stirring the pot, but his track record is mixed. While some of his scoops have proven to be true, others have been called out for being reckless and unverified. What are your thoughts on Musa's claims about Bongs? Drop your views in the comments.